Pets' canine and feline friends at home are relatively way shorter and smaller in mass or size. Thus, they are more vulnerable to extended exposure to the elements like high or extreme heat, in which their endurance and resistance pales many times under their human counterparts. And extreme heat can be lethal to a typical dog in less than 20 minutes of exposure to the hot sun, as our Christian Vascones narrates in this report.
Dogs, affectionately regarded as man's best friend, are considered family members by many, just like Zeki, an American bully owned by couple Arvin and Joanna Olpindo. But recently, Zeki almost lost his life after being accidentally left tied outside their house, exposed to the scorching heat of the sun. He was shaking, gasping for breath, and on the verge of dying from heat stroke when their neighbor found him.
Nung sinend po sa akin, nawalan na talaga sir ako ng pag-asa dahil lumabas na yung dila niya. Talagang yung asawa ko, iniwan ko sa school. Sabi ko, alis ako, uwi ako pa saglit sa bahay para tignan ko ako si Seki. Baka ako di ko pa abutan. Sabi ko, then umalis ako sir, nung pagdating ko, medyo ano na siya. Talagang ano na siya, bagsak na siya sir. Na sobrang nanlalambot siya.
They immediately poured water on Zeki to help him cool down. Moments later, the dog began to recover. Had their neighbor arrived even a few minutes later, Zeki might not have survived, which is why the family is very grateful.
Papasalamat po ako kay Ate Maylin, doon po sa kapitbahay namin, kay Kuya Chody, tsaka sa mga anak niya kasi talagang mapapanood niyo po yung video, talagang support po sila na sa daddy nila, sa asawa ni Ate Maylin na para lumakas si Seki.
According to veterinarian Dr. Harmon Nicer, the normal temperature of dogs is around 37 to 39.2 degrees Celsius. When exposed to hotter temperatures, a dog's body can only endure the heat for up to 15 minutes.
Ang normal temperature ng isang aso is 37.9 to 39.2. So, pag mas mataas siya ng 39.2, usually dyan na magkakaroon na ng mga manifestation ng tinatawag na heat stroke. Mga 15 minutes na expose sila dun sa arawan. Actually, matagal na yung 15 minutes.
The veterinarian also shared the signs of heat stroke in pets like dogs.
Magbaon sila lagi ng tubig para dun sa alaga nila. Especially ngayon, gustong-gusto ng mga tao kasama yung mga alaga nila sa beach. Ayan, so kailangan magbaon tayo ng mga electrolytes, mga dextrose powder, tubig, and then magbigay tayo ng proper ventilation lagi.
To avoid these incidents, Dr. Nicer advised.
Magbaon sila lagi ng tubig para dun sa alaga nila. Especially ngayon, gustong-gusto ng mga tao kasama yung mga alaga nila sa beach. Ayan, so kailangan magbaon tayo ng mga electrolytes, mga dextrose powder, tubig, and then magbigay tayo ng proper ventilation lagi.
Apart from heat stroke, dogs can also become aggressive or irritable due to extreme heat, which may lead to biting or attacking people. Trainer Darwin Espinosa, a member of Protector K9, shared this advice.
Pumili sila ng malamig na oras. Kasi may mga oras na hindi mo na masyadong mainit. Tapos iwasan nila yung mga between 9 to 3. Kasi yan, matindi yung init ng hangin eh. Tapos, kung sakaling hindi man, dapat magbaon sila ng tubig na pwede nilang painom sa aso. Tapos, sa pastor, ginagawa ko, babasahin mo yung mga singit-singit nila.
This incident has served as a lesson for the Olpindo family, and they hope that sharing their experience can help others take better care of their pets, who are more than just animals, but are actual family members. This is Christian Vascones from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.